Imagine we were given the weights of 7 individual pigs and asked to plot a box plot about it. First things first, we need to organize our data set in ascending order from left to right. As you can see, our pigs' weights have already been organized, so we can just put in our values: 43 kg, 49 kg, 50 kg, 52 kg, 58 kg, 63 kg, and 67 kg. Now, before we go into finding the key values behind a box plot, let's understand exactly what a box plot is trying to show us. It's a visual demonstration of the spread of a set of data, showing how the data organizes itself visually. So there's a few key points we need to find, which stand for median, upper quartile, lower bound, and upper bound. So the median can be found in two ways, either by cancelling out the greatest terms, the most extreme terms, and working your way in towards the center of the data until you find the middle term, which is 52 kg, or by using the formula, so this is more application based, n plus 1 over 2, which will tell us the position of the median pig. N plus 1 in this case will be 8 over 2, which shows that the fourth value in the data set will be our median weight. And as you can see, that aligns with what we found previously. Now, looking at upper quartile, we use the formula n plus 1 divided by 4 times by 3. Because upper quartile, if you to think about it, is 75%. So, in a box plot, we have our, if I was to draw a general one here, we have our 25% point, our 50% point, and our 75% point. And our 25% represents our lower bound, or our lower quartile, sorry, and our upper quartile is represented by 75%. So we plug it in and we get 8 over 4 is equal to 2 times by 3 is equal to the sixth value in the line, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have that the 63 kg pig is our upper quartile. Now, looking at our lower quartile, this is our 25% interval. We just have to do n plus 1 divided by 4, which is going to be 8 divided by 4, which tells us that the second value in the data set is going to be 49 kg, which is our lower quartile. Now, looking at our lower bound, we have 43 kg as our lowest point in the data set, and our upper bound to be 67 kg. So that is our key values that we need to find before plotting our box plot. Now let's look at some questions where we can actually go into drawing some box plots, So we're told that the time in minutes taken by 20 students to complete a maths test have the following summary. So our minimum value, so our lower bound, is equal to 12. Our lower quartile is equal to 16. Our median is equal to 21. Upper quartile 27, and our max point is 35. So as we've done here, they've shown, as we can see here, they've calculated our key values already. And now I'm going to teach you exactly how to plot this. So you take each point and we're going to start at the minimum. We first work out the scale and we go, okay, there's 5 squares between 10 and 20, meaning each square is worth 2. So if we were to plot 12, we plot a vertical line as such. Looking at our lower quartile, we have 16, which means it's going to be right here, another vertical line. Our median is going to be here, so it's going to be in between this. Upper quartile is going to be 27, which is going to be here, and our maximum point is 35, which is going to be here. Now, completing our middle part, we then draw a line from our ranges to complete the box plot as such. And this is our lower quartile, this is our median, this is our upper quartile, this is lower bound, and this is our upper bound. Okay, moving on to, we're taught to draw a box plot for the weight of 11 children in kg below. So as you can see, they've given us a list of weights for these 11 children. The first thing that I've already done for you guys is I've organized it from left to right in ascending order. Now we can work out our key value, starting with our median. Remember, our median is given by the formula n plus 1 over 2, which in this case for 11 children is going to be 11 plus 1 over 2, which is going to be the sixth value. Therefore, the median is going to be 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to be 43. Okay, now working at our lower quartile, we have n plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 12 over 4, which is going to be third value. So our lower quartile is going to be equal to 43. Oh, not 43. Our lower quartile is going to be 37. Now, working out our upper quartile, we have to do n plus 1 over 4 times by 3, which is going to be our ninth value. So our upper quartile is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is going to be 63. Now, once we have these values, we know that our upper bound is going to be 65 and our lower bound is going to be 32. Okay, now that we've worked out our 5 key values, we can now start to plot our box plot. So let's draw vertical lines. At first, our lower bound, which is 32, the lowest number in the set. 32, that's our vertical line. Lower quartile is our third value, which is 37. So let's draw a line at 37, which is going to be here. Then we have the median value to be 43. So 43 is going to be here. And we know our upper quartile is going to be 63. So our 63 is going to be here. And we know our largest value in the set is 65. So that's going to be right here. Now, drawing our box plot, as you can see, this is a very skewed box plot with most of the data falling on the right hand side, sorry. So that is our completed box plot. So we are now told to compare the distributions of 2 running clubs and their 5 number summaries. So to compare distributions, we first look at the median. We see that the median for club A is larger than for club B. So we say this tells us on average club A are slower than club B. We also now need to work out the interquartile range. So the interquartile range for club A is Q3 minus Q1, which gives us 12. And the interquartile range for this one is Q3 minus Q1, which is 16. Okay, so the interquartile range tells us that on average, well, not on average actually, the data in club B is less consistent because there is a larger interquartile range around the median. Therefore, the data is more spread out. Okay, that's going to conclude today's video on box plots. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.